Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect gift box for your paper flowers. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut on your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. I'll be showing you two different versions that would be the perfect box and bag for your paper flowers. The first one is the oval one, and you can use any color you want. I found this shimmer gold cardstock paper from Michaels that I'll link below. And you want two of the shapes, one for the front and one for the back. The bottom part will need some scoring lines that you can do directly on the Cricut or Silhouette, or you could use a scoring board like this. Add the scores on the cuts on both the left and right, and then turn it so the cut lines are horizontal, and then add the scoring lines right where the cut lines end. Then fold all the scored lines and you will see the 9 rectangles or squares. Then hold it horizontally and then bring the left and right side in. And let the tabs go on the outside of the middle rectangle and use hot glue to glue all the tabs on the outside. And make sure to nicely line up the box. Then take the oval cutouts and glue that onto the front and back where the tabs were glued. I do prefer heavy cardstock paper, at least 110 pounds, when making these boxes to make sure they are sturdy. But this gold shimmer cardstock paper was 65 pound and it does hold, but I would double it up in the front and back if you are adding something heavy inside like a ceramic pot to make sure that it is sturdy. Next will be the butterfly box, which is a different version that is also linked below the video, and the bottom part is the same way where you add the score lines and then fold them and glue the tabs on the center rectangle. And this cardstock paper was the shimmer white cardstock paper from Michaels. That's also 65 pound, and again I would double up the layers for the handle pattern if you are adding something heavy inside. But I will be adding just paper flowers and I felt like it was sturdy enough. The front will be the pattern that has the window, and then glue that along with the back side. I added styrofoam for my paper flowers in the box, and then I glued down the handle part and the butterfly part to fully secure, but you could just leave it open or just tie a ribbon on the top. Then you could also shape out the butterflies together. I added my dried paper flower arrangement first to see what it looks like, and then I also added just regular paper flowers instead. I will link the templates for these paper flowers. They are the paper lily of the Incas and paper lavender. I also added the paper dahlia and tulips. I love how I could make these boxes smaller than the ones you could probably just buy online. Since I wanted to add just paper flowers I made, it's so much harder for us to fill a bigger box since we have to make each paper flower. So I thought this was the perfect size to fill and gift. You could also just add a paper cactus or succulent. And here are some other examples. I love finding new ways to gift paper flowers, and these were the perfect size for a small paper flower arrangement. Try making them yourself. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.